Hello children, this is the next clip for class 8 student. In previous clip already explained using for loop how to get sum of series, how to get factorial and other questions. Here next question is what? How to find factors of any number. Factors means in maths, suppose the factors of 8 will be what? The factors of 8 will be 1, 2, 4, 8. So these are factors of 8. 10, the factors of 10 will be 1, 2, 5, 10. So these are factors of a particular number. Here I will explain how to get this one. We'll explain the logic using for loop. Alright, suppose we'll input a number. This is the way to input a number. Enter a number. So here is the integer n is equal to sc dot next in. This is the way to input a number, sc dot next in. And मान लो, suppose the value of n is what? The value of n is 10. Alright children, here for loop, use for loop, integer I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n and I plus plus. Can you tell me how many times this loop will execute? So number one thing, what is the value of n at first? The value of n is 10, that means this loop will execute how many times? This loop will execute 10 times. 10 बार loop execute करेगा. Now what to write here? So here is a if n is what? The 10. Modulus I is equal to 0. If the condition is true, if this condition is true, then it will print system.out.println what? I. So the value of I is 1, the value of n is 10, 10 modulus I, that is 1, is equal to 0. Remainder will be 0. Yes, this is true. What we will get? So here we will get 1. Again it will go, the value of I will be 2. 10 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Correct. What it will print? 2. Next time the value of I will be 3. 10 modulus 3 is equal to 0. No, false. It will not execute this one because this is a simple if. If condition is true, then only it will execute. The value of I will be 4. 10 modulus 4 is equal to 10. No, it will not print. Next, 10 modulus 5 is equal to 0. Yes. 6 false, 7 false, 8 false, 9 false. 10 modulus 10 is equal to 0. Yes. So here we will get, these are the factors of the particular number. Are you getting, my dear children? Suppose n is equal to, मान के चलो n is equal to 20. So it will execute 1 to 20 and what it will print? It will print 1, then 2, 3 से नहीं, 4 से, yes, 4, 5 से, yes, 5, then 6, 7, like that. 10 से divisible, yes, 10 से divisible. 15 से no, 16, 17, no, at last what it will print? So this 20. So these are the factors of what? Number 20. This is a logic to get factors of a number. I hope you children are getting this one, isn't it? Kindly copy. Now here we will display. Next question we will display here. Sum of factors. Sum of factors. Sum of factors means what? Suppose number is 10. So sum of factors will be 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10. Your answer will be what? 5 to 7, 8. Your answer will be what? 81. This is sum of factors. What you have to do? Same logic will be there. We will remove these things. Rest things will be same. Take a variable here. The name of the variable is s is equal to 0. Why s is equal to 0? Because we have to do sum of factors. Now if this is the value of n is 10, 10 modulus 1 is equal to 0. If condition is true, then what to write here? S is equal to s plus 9. If condition is true, it will add it. तो किसमें किसमें कंडीशन ट्रू होगा? 1, then 2, then 5 and 10, and it will add all the things. Where it will add? In S. Outside of the loop, you just write a statement. Sum of factors is equal to plus. Alright children, this is the logic for to get sum of factors of a number. See, there is only one logic, factors, and we will do at least 4 or 5 programs here. Just see carefully. Now number second is what? Here is a total number of factors. Total number of factors का मतलब क्या हो गया? Suppose n का value 10 है. How many factors are there? So total number of factors will be what? 4. Means what? 1, then 2, then 5, then 10. How many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is. Suppose 6 is there. So total number of factors will be what? 1, 2, then 3, then 6. So total number of factors will be what? Now everything will be same. Here will change what? Here will change one thing. If condition is true, take a variable c. Here you write c equal to c plus 1. You can write this one. You can write plus plus c. You can write c plus plus, or you can write c plus equal to 1. कोई एक चीज you can write. It will count factors. Condition true, c plus plus. So if the number is 10, 1 से divisible, 2 से divisible, 5 से divisible, and 4 से divisible. How many times? 4 times. So outside of the loop you write total factors is equal to c. Suppose the value of n is 24. So factors will be what? 1 से, then 2 से, then 3 से, 3 8 24, 4 6 24, 6 से, then 12 से, then 8 से, then 24. So how? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Your answer will be what? Your answer will be. So these are part of factors. So one logic, how to get factors, and after that how many questions we can do? We can do at least 5 or 6 questions related to this one. And in the class 8 second terminal exam or third terminal exam, this type of question will carry 10 marks. See carefully, and if there is any confusion, you can discuss with your teachers. Now, children, you tell me one thing. If the number is 7, can you tell me total number of factors will be what? So factors will be what? 1 से कटेगा and 7 से. How many factors are there? So your factors will be what? If the number is 11, total number of factors will be what? 2. If the number is 13, total number of factors will be what? If the number is 19, total number of factors will be what? 2. If the number is 31, total number of factors will be what? Are you getting it? What is that 2? Why we are getting 2? Why we are getting 2? Here, if the number is 10, we are getting 4. If number is 24, we are getting 8. If number is 6, we are getting number of factors will be 4. But in the case of 7, 13, 19, 31, 5, 23, 29, we are getting total number of factors will be 2. Why? Can you tell me? This is a mathematical reason, my dear. So if the factor of any number, will be 2, that is what? That is a prime number. If total number of factors will be 2, that is a prime number. What is prime number? The number which is divisible by 1 and itself. समझ में आ रहा है? And if the factors is more than 2, yeah, you can say if total number of factor is not 2, then that is what? That is a composite number, isn't it? चलो, now question is what? You have to input a number. एक number input करना है. You have to input a number and check whether number is a prime number or composite. What you have to check? You have to check number is prime or composite. This is a number. इसी क्वेश्चन में कर रहे हैं हम लोग, isn't it? If condition is true, here is a C++, ठीक है. Suppose we input a number that is 11. Can you tell me total number of factors? You tell. So 11 that is divisible by 1 or किससे 11. Total number of factors will be 2. Outside of the loop you write a statement condition if C is equal to 2. If total number of factors will be 2, what is that? Number is prime. Else number is not prime, या लिख दो composite. ठीक है. Now suppose number is 12. So what we will get? We will get 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 6 and 12. Total number of factors will be 6. 6 is equal to 2. Condition false. This is a composite number. अगर 31 है then 1 and 31. Total number of factors are 2. C is equal to 2. Yes, this condition is true. Number is prime. Am I clear? Children, am I clear? One more question related this one. Perfect number. P-E-R-F-E-C-T. Perfect number. What is perfect number? This is example. Suppose 6. ठीक है. Find the sum of factors. Find sum of factors, but excluding the number. मतलब number को exclude करके करना. तो sum of factors will be what? This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, but this is exclude the number, means 1 plus 2 plus 3. Add it. If that is a or is part of original, if sum of factors is equal to original number, that is known as perfect number. That is known as perfect number. Another example, 28. So that will be 1 plus 2 से भी होगा, 4 से 14, 28 exclude. Now you add it. तो ये 21 हो गया, 21 और 4 25, 26, 27 and 1. This is 28. This is a calculation. Sum of factors is equal to original number. Is known as a perfect number. Is known as a perfect. P-E-R-F-E-C-T. So here, what you have to do? There are two things. Two logic. One logic is what? Here is an integer s is equal to 0, excluding the number. Number exclude means less than, isn't it? If the number is 6, less than 6 means up to 5 times it will execute. And if condition is true, s equal to s plus I. So this will be, if the number is 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Because 4 is not divisible, 5 is not divisible. And outside of the loop you write if s is equal to original number, this is a perfect number. Else, that's all, my dear children. This is one logic. One more logic is there. In that logic, what you have to do? This is especially for perfect number. Ki sum of factors excluding the number. Excluding the number. In that case, what you can write here? Instead of this one, you children can write here I less than equal to n by 2. n by 2. अगर n का value 6 है, 6 by 2, that means what? I less than equal to 3. That means how many times loop will execute? 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. So that is 1, 2, 3 is divisible by 6. Condition true. It will add all the things and finally we will check it. Suppose 28 is there, 28 by 2, that means what? That will be up to 14 times it will execute. So 14 is divisible 1 say, 2 say, 7 say and 14 say. So when you add 21, 22, 23, 24, no, something is missing here. 14 is divisible by 1, 2, 24. Let's check. This is divided by 2. This is 12. That will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 4 10. This is not 28. Something is missing, idea children. You just calculate that one. Divide by 2 means 14. तो 14 किससे divisible है? 1 से divisible है, 2 से divisible है, 7 से divisible है, 14 से divisible है. तो 7 4 11. This is 21 और 3 24. Oh my God! 14 is divisible by 4 also. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. When you add this one, calculation will be 28. It's my mistake, and sum of factors is equal to 28. So that is a perfect number. Just copy the program, and also you write this program on your computer or laptop. Dry run your program. Check your program, and if there is any confusion, you discuss with your teacher. All right. Bye.